Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Early Standard English C by Cantab publisher. And remember that all the books of Cantab are approved by Punjab Curriculum and Textbook Board. And our slogan is One Curriculum, One Nation. And what's about today's topic? It is the concept of in and out. By the end of the lesson, the student should be able to identify and use preposition in and out. So let's start the lesson. Student, look at here. What is this? A spoon. Very good. And what is this? A glass. Good. Now student, where is the spoon? The spoon is in the glass. The spoon is in the glass. Very good. Bottle. And what is in it? Play-Doh. Where is Play-Doh? Play-Doh is in the bottle. Where is Play-Doh? Play-Doh is in the bottle. Good. Where are the flashcards? The flashcards are in the box. The flashcards are in the box. And look at here. My handbag. And look at here. What is there in it? Brush. Hairbrush. Where is the hairbrush? In the bag. Good. Okay. Now see. The spoon is in the glass. The spoon is out of the glass. The spoon is out of the glass. Play-Doh is in the bottle. Play-Doh is in the bottle. Play-Doh is out of the bottle. Play-Doh is out of the bottle. And where are the flashcards? In the box. And now the flashcards are out of the box. The flashcards are out of the box. Okay. Now you can help the student to understand the concept of in and out by practicing it and by giving you some more example about this concept. After this, you can introduce the page of the book, and now you can ask them about the pictures given in the book. So look at here. What is this? A jar. And what is there in the jar? A candle. There is a candle in the jar. And look at here. What is this? A straw, a pipe. And where is it? It is in the jug. Good. And what is this? A cage. And what is this? A bird. A bird is out of the cage. A bird is out of the cage. Similarly, you have to talk about this picture, and after this you have to tell them that they have to color the objects blue, which are showing you the concept of in. And you have to color the objects yellow, which show the concept of out. This candle, this straw pipe is showing us the concept of in, and this bird and dog is showing us the concept of out. Well, it's fair enough to spend a single period on clarifying this concept of in and out. You can make the lesson more interesting by giving them a picture of a house, and you can ask them to put something in the house and something out of the house. Thank you very much.